most people think generative AI is just about chatting, writing content, or creating images. That's surface level. The real impact is much deeper and a bit disruptive. Generative AI is changing how data is used, how models are built, and how decisions are made. And at the center of this shift is systems like ChatGPT. But here's the real question. Is this replacing data science or transforming it? Let's break it down clearly. Traditional data science is about collecting data, cleaning it, analyzing it, and building models to extract insights or make predictions. It's structured step by step and often time-consuming. Generative AI flips part of that process. Instead of manually writing code, exploring data, or building models from scratch, you can now generate insights, code, summaries, and even entire workflows in seconds. That's a massive shift in productivity, but here's where people get it wrong. They think this means data science is becoming irrelevant. It's not. It's evolving. Generative AI doesn't remove the need for data. It increases it. These systems are trained on massive data sets and rely heavily on structured inputs to produce useful outputs. If your data is poor, your results will still be poor, just faster. So the fundamentals of data science, data quality, understanding, and interpretation become even more important. This shift builds on decades of AI research. Early foundations from pioneers like Geoffrey Hinton helped develop neural networks that power modern AI systems. Over time, these models evolved into large language models capable of generating human-like responses. What used to require specialized teams can now be accessed through simple interfaces. In practical terms, generative AI is changing how data professionals work. Instead of spending hours writing code, they can generate scripts instantly. Instead of manually analyzing data, they can ask questions and get summaries. Instead of building everything from scratch, they can iterate faster. This doesn't remove the role. It shifts it from execution to thinking, validation, and decision-making. But here's the uncomfortable truth. This also raises the bar. If basic tasks are automated, then knowing only the basics is no longer enough. The value moves to understanding problems, interpreting results, and making decisions. People who rely only on tools will struggle. People who understand systems will move ahead. Now, with continuous improvements, generative AI is becoming more integrated into business workflows. From customer support to content creation to data analysis, it's influencing multiple areas. But it's not replacing data science. It's becoming part of it. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't to follow hype. It's to break down what's actually happening. Because once you understand the relationship between generative AI and data science, you stop fearing the change and start using it to your advantage. And that's when you move from being replaced by technology to working alongside it effectively.